Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this tutorial I'll show you how to connect Zapier to GoHighLevel so you can automate workflows between these two apps. This will help you streamline tasks like lead management, appointment scheduling and customer follow-ups. Right, so open Zapier on your web browser. After that, log in into your website or sign up if you don't have an account already. After that, in the new tab, open GoHighLevel and log in with your account. After that, on the Zapier dashboard, click on the Create Zap button. In the trigger section, search for GoHighLevel in the app list and select it. After that, in the event dropdown, select a trigger event that matches your needs. The common options are triggers, for example, when a new lead is added, new appointment, triggers when a new appointment is booked. Click Continue. After that, connect your GoHighLevel account to Zapier. Click Sign in to GoHighLevel to link your account. A pop-up window will appear asking for your GoHighLevel API key. Find the key. You need to go to a GoHighLevel website. Click on your profile and navigate to the API keys section and grab it from there. After that, paste the API key in Zapier and click Yes to continue to connect your accounts. In the Actions section, search for the app you want to connect to GoHighLevel, and that's basically it. It can be either Google Sheets or Slack or MailChimp, whatever. Choose the action event and click Continue. After that, connect the action app. Click Sign in and follow the on-screen steps to link your chosen app. After connecting, select the required fields to map data from GoHighLevel to your action app. And that's basically it. After that, you can just test it. It's all done. You've successfully connected your Zapier to GoHighLevel and set up automation. You can now create more apps to streamline your workflows and enhance productivity. Guys, if this guide helped you, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more stuff like this. We post such tutorials frequently, so by following us, you contribute to our own development. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.